Buckle up, tech enthusiasts. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming our world, and 2024 promises even more exciting advancements. Today, we'll unveil the top 9 AI tools you absolutely need in your arsenal this year. Hey everyone, and welcome to CHEIZ TECH, and I'm passionate about exploring the cutting edge of AI. Whether you're a programmer, designer, or just curious about this incredible technology, this video has something for you. 1. TensorFlow. Let's kick things off with a powerhouse tool, TensorFlow. Developed by Google, TensorFlow is an open-source framework that empowers you to build and deploy your own machine learning models. The beauty of TensorFlow lies in its versatility. It tackles tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and so much more. Plus, it offers pre-built models and extensive tutorials to get you started, even if you're new to machine learning. Imagine creating a custom AI to recommend products to customers or building a chatbot that answers questions in real time. With TensorFlow, the possibilities are endless. This tool is ideal for programmers with some machine learning knowledge. 2. LaMDA. Next up, we have LaMDA, a groundbreaking large language model by Google AI. LaMDA excels at open-ended, informative conversations. It can even access and process information from the real world through Google Search. This means LaMDA can engage in more natural and insightful dialogues compared to traditional chatbots. Imagine having an AI assistant that not only understands your questions, but can also provide relevant information from the web. LaMDA is a game-changer for conversational AI, and it's primarily targeted towards developers working on chatbots and virtual assistants. 3. Stable Diffusion, calling all artists and designers. Unleash your creativity with Stable Diffusion, an open-source AI model that transforms text descriptions into stunning images. Simply provide a few words describing your vision, and Stable Diffusion will generate high-quality visuals that match your imagination. This opens doors for concept art creation, image editing, and generating unique illustrations for various purposes. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, Stable Diffusion can be a valuable tool in your creative arsenal. 4. DeepMind AlphaFold. Now, let's delve into the world of science with DeepMind AlphaFold. This revolutionary AI system predicts the 3D structure of proteins, a crucial step in understanding their function. Think of AlphaFold as a game-changer for drug discovery and protein research. By predicting protein structures with remarkable accuracy, AlphaFold can accelerate the development of new medications and improve our understanding of biological processes at a molecular level. While this tool is primarily targeted towards researchers, its impact on healthcare and scientific advancement will be monumental. 5. Runway, calling all content creators. Unleash the power of AI video editing with Runway. This innovative platform lets you apply stunning visual effects and generate creative content with just a few clicks. Runway boasts a vast library of AI effects, from adding realistic weather elements to your videos to creating mind-bending transitions. Plus, its user-friendly interface makes it accessible even for beginners. Imagine creating professional-looking videos with minimal technical expertise. Runway empowers creators to push the boundaries of visual storytelling and is perfect for YouTubers, filmmakers, and anyone who wants to elevate their video content. 6. Jasper. Struggling with writer's block or marketing fatigue? Look no further than Jasper, an AI writing assistant designed to boost your productivity. Jasper helps you craft compelling marketing copy, blog posts, social media captions, and even website content. Simply provide a few details about your topic or target audience, and Jasper generates creative and engaging text suggestions to jumpstart your writing process. This tool is a valuable asset for marketers, entrepreneurs, and anyone who wants to create high-quality content efficiently. 7. DALL-E 3. Now buckle up for a mind-blowing experience with DALL-E 3, an AI image generation system by OpenAI. DALL-E 3 takes text descriptions to a whole new level, creating incredibly photorealistic and artistic images that defy imagination. From depicting a cat riding a bicycle on Mars to illustrating a historical event in a hyper-realistic style, DALL-E 3 pushes the boundaries of what's possible with AI art generation. While access to DALL-E 3 is currently limited, it serves as a glimpse into the future of creative AI and is ideal for designers, artists, and anyone seeking unique and awe-inspiring visuals. GitHub Copilot, calling all programmers. Supercharge your coding workflow with GitHub Copilot, an AI-powered code completion tool from GitHub and OpenAI. Copilot acts as your intelligent coding assistant, suggesting relevant code snippets and functions as you type. This can significantly boost your productivity and help you write cleaner and more efficient code. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Copilot can streamline your coding process and is an excellent tool for programmers of all skill levels. That's it for our top 9 AI tools you need to use in 2024. From building your own AI models to creating stunning visuals and supercharging your workflow, the possibilities with AI are endless. Which of these tools excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more tech adventures.